seventh revenue stream is to sell other company products as an affiliate, and you can feature the company products in your online store. When a visitor to your website is interested in buying the product, they are then directed to the affiliate company that handles the payments and shipping. You make a commission on every sale, and the affiliate company sends you a check. For physical products, commissions range between 5 to 10%. You can register for free with consolidators such as Linkshare and Commission Junction that feature hundreds of companies wanting you to sell their products. Information products, such as ebooks and video courses, commissions can range up to 75%. To find companies selling information products, you can register for free with companies such as ClickBank. To begin making money online, get your website now from IncomeActivator.com, and we'll see you on the other side.